Today, guys, I want to take a look at this 4-piece phone screen repair kit. They're clamps, and you use them for attaching while the screen is being attached. If you pull it off your phone, you can use it for tablets, and they're basically clamps. But I've got a different idea of what I want to use these for. I could still use it for that, but I'll show you what I think they'd also be good for. Here you see it on Amazon, $9.77 for 4 of them. So these things are pretty cool. And when I saw this, I was actually doing some research. I want to buy here soon one of these heating things that you use to separate the back of your cell phone, so you can release the glue, the adhesive for the back of your phone, so that you can replace the battery. So in any event, when I saw these, I thought, you know what, these would be cool for a small project around the house for clamps, literally a clamp. So here you see this one in its closed position. It's all aluminum. This might be steel, this black piece. It's got 2 tapped holes. We'll look at those further. And just like that. And it's got these pads, vinyl or rubber, I'm not really sure. Probably like a rubber for protection. But I thought, you know, there's times when you've got a small little project that you might want to hold while it's gluing or while you're assembling something really small. And for the price, I thought, hell, pretty good deal. Now, as to those tapped holes, those are nice if you want to anchor this down to something, if you're going to do any fixturing, whether you want to anchor it down like this because of that tap, or you want to anchor it down like that. So that's somewhat interesting. And the tapped size is an M6 by 1.0. Now here's a close-up of the clamp head. You can see those rubber protectors. And that maximum opening is 1/2 inch. And so the screw that activates this back and forth is all enclosed, encased there in here. And so just like that. Cool little item. The closed length that you see here is approximately 2 11/16 inches long. And because of its design, it's the same length opened, 2 11/16. And the width is 11/16 inches wide. The height, as seen from the front side here, is 1 inch. So I think these would make a very nice addition to your toolbox when it comes to small miniaturized clamping.